Alright, so today I'm going to be showing you how to enjoy some delicious tortilla chip cereal. So what you want to do is you want to pour the milk in there, right? And then you want to take your spoon and kind of mash it in there. Might be a little bit of a mess, but that's okay. Trust me, it's worth it in the end. So once you put all the cereal into the milk, you just it's ready for eating. But first, just in case you're thirsty, you want to take your epic Lightning McQueen cup and go get some water. Since the dispenser in the refrigerator is broken, just use tap water from the sink. I promise it doesn't have bacteria and germs that will kill me. Alright, so now you just enjoy your delicious meal of chip cereal. My favorite. If chip cereal isn't good enough for you, why don't you try some applesauce chip dip? It's pretty good. You just take a chip like this and make sure you get some great applesauce on there, and then yeah, great. So you could take a green one. So here's a disclaimer. It doesn't matter what color the chips are. We're inclusive here. It doesn't matter what color they are. But none of that is complete without your Lightning McQueen cup with water in it. You gotta drink the tap water in your Lightning McQueen cup. Make sure you do that. And why don't you enjoy some delicious applesauce chip dip?